is Alexis Vocal and Chris bringing you your morning announcements for Thursday, October 31st, 2019, aka Happy Halloween!
Ah! Girls softball conditioning will begin on November 4th at 3 p.m. in the weight room. If you have any questions or concerns, email Coach Hughes at 2sports6@comcast.net.
If you have a job and would like to be featured in the yearbook, send in your picture of yourself showing off your hardworking skills to Arlene Rodriguez at 6100-875473 at musd.net. Make sure you include your name, where you work, in the email.
Stanislaus State's Financial Aid and Scholarships Department will be hosting a financial aid workshop for students and families on Tuesday, November 12th from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. All are welcome to attend and learn about financial aid basics, tips on what to avoid, and any specific questions.
MICKEYMOUSE, calling all seniors!
Everybody
who want to attend this year's grad night at Disneyland, be there or be square. Come pick up an information packet in room 51 today. Deposits are due soon, November 4th. See Mr. Rio in room 51 with any questions. And that's it. I'm Alexis Vocal here with Chris, bringing you your morning announcements for Thursday, October 31st, 2019, Halloween.
Don't forget to hit subscribe and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Wolf Den